in that particular session, we covered three main different topics. One was the current status of hematopoietic stem cell gene therapy for the treatment of rare diseases, and then the technology that was adopted to WuXi, that was sold to WuXi by a scientist, Ryan Kaywood, who is now a CSO of WuXi, and he talked about the advances made in lentiviral vector systems, starting from pre-packaging, packaging, and producer cell lines, how we can make optimal, how we can have optimal process to have a good yield of those viral vectors. And in the last presentation that was given by Jason Foster, who is the CEO of Ori Biotech, who has a proprietary technology for commercial cell and gene therapy product manufacturing. He gave an overview of where we are in the field with respect to commercial manufacturing of the clinical products, cell therapy products. What are the gaps over there in that process, and how we can, fulfill those gaps to shorten the production time of these cell therapy products. So it was three different areas were covered extensively by three different experts. So it was a really interesting session.